Updating your legal name on ToastTab is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your ToastTab account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have the correct username and password to avoid any delays. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the Profile or Settings menu, where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select Name Change option. In the Account Settings, look for an option related to personal information or name changes. Click on this option to proceed with updating your legal name. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SR to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new name, save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your name has been updated successfully. Make sure to check back after a few days to verify that the changes have taken effect. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to ToastTab support for assistance.